To assemble the Scosche VW2317AB dash kit, start by identifying the left and right side brackets. Then line up the radio brackets with the radio housing and secure them in place with the included screws. Slide the radio into the kit assembly, then secure the kit to the radio with the screws that came in the box. There are multiple screw locations to choose from. We recommend spacing the screws out on both sides to evenly support your radio. Once your dash kit is complete, you can connect your wiring harness, antenna connection, and reassemble your dash. If you have any questions, give us a call, chat with us online, or send us an email.